I mean, what assets do you think will help contribute to the calculation of support today?
He has a Rolls-Royce Wraith. He has a four-door Porsche. He has a Maserati. He has a 1960 old school car, Cutlass, both with five to $10,000 worth of paint on them and rims. And he has at least 50 to $100,000 worth of jewelry. And he only pays $200 in child support.
What is it again that you believe he does for a living?
I don't have none of those cars she say I got. I don't know what she's getting all this from. We haven't been together in 15 years. I don't know nothing about her, so I don't know how she knows anything about me.
Dad states he is unemployed and doesn't own any businesses. His background check also prevents him from gaining employment.
State has requested to non-suit our request to take a judgment on the arrears, as the arrears are extremely low here at this time. So we're only requesting to move forward on the modification at this time. So at this time, Your Honor, the state would like to call the mother here in this matter. Ms. Hall, can I get you to state your name for the record?
Bianca Hall.
Ms. Hall, do you understand that the state has requested to non-suit the arrears portion of this matter and only proceed with the modification at this time?
Yes.
The hearing opens with the mother listing luxury cars, expensive paint jobs, and piles of jewelry, painting a picture of secret riches, while child support stays low. The father immediately denies everything. From the first minute, this becomes a credibility battle, where allegations fly fast, but proof has yet to land on the table. Alright guys, this part shows how the state narrows the fight.
As it relates to the employment of Mr. Hollins, do you know if he's currently employed?
He's self-employed.
And what is it that he does for a living, ma'am?
He sells cars.
Do you understand that the state has used the monthly expenses to help calculate what we believe the gross income of the non-custodial parent is today?
Are you saying previously or currently?
His current monthly obligations as it relates to his bills, which has helped the state calculate the non-custodial parent's gross income at a total of $1,860 per month to calculate support. Are you in agreement with us moving forward with the calculation based off of those that amount?
Absolutely not.
The state drops arrears and focuses only on modification, shifting the case from punishment to calculation. The mother agrees to proceed but rejects the state's income estimate. This moment matters because once arrears are off the table, the entire case turns on one issue only: what the father truly earns.
All right. What is your belief that the father is making per month?
Well, I could not say, but I could give my statement. The amount of my daughter is 14 years old, and he started paying that possibly about 1 year of age. We haven't had a modification in 14, almost 15 years. She'll be 15.
Ms. Hall?
Yes.
Specifically, as it relates to the income, do you have any information as it relates to about how much money the father makes per month?
I can state assets.
And what assets do you think will help contribute to the calculation of support today?
He has a Rolls-Royce Wraith. He has a four-door Porsche. He has a Maserati. He has a 1960 old school car. He also has a old school car, Cutlass, both with five to $10,000 worth of paint on them and rims. And he has at least 50 to $100,000 worth of jewelry. And he only pays $200 in child support.
And what are you?
And he also, when the lady was asking me, so he has been residing in the same place since we were together.
Unable to name actual income, the mother doubles down on assets, lifestyle, and history. She claims long-term car sales, shared businesses, rising rent, and side activities she can't fully explain. The courtroom tension builds as her argument leans heavily on belief and memory rather than documents the judge can rely on.
He stated that he lives with his girlfriend. However, the girlfriend lives with him. He stated that the rent was currently $1,300. The rent was $1,300 15 years ago. And so, I mean, I'm sure there's been some type of increase there too. He has 3 cell phones. and
All
he
right.
does well.
And what is it again that you believe he does for a living?
He does other things as well as sells cars,
And what are those other things, ma'am?
possibly illegals.
As it relates to the selling of cars, how long has he been doing that, ma'am?
As far as I'm concerned, at least 13 years, 12, 13 years. And when we had our child, we both had businesses. When we had our child, he had a Corvette. He had a Corvette with Lamborghini doors and alligator seats, and candy paint. And we owned two businesses together.
Just one moment.
So he's always been well to do.
Gianna, can I get just one moment while I get some data as it relates to car salesman income? Just a moment.
Using industry averages, the state proposes a higher support amount based on sales income estimates. The mother agrees instantly. The father interrupts, denied the four. This section highlights how courts often estimate income when transparency is missing, creating pressure for the other side to either accept or convincingly disprove it.
All right, ma'am. The state has used the annual income of a salesperson in the sales-related fields to calculate the support obligations today. And if the court was to order that that amount be used at $56,440 annually, the state will request that the father pays child support in the amount of $700. Would you be in agreement to that amount, ma'am?
Sir, everything that this woman has said has been a
See, no,
lie.
Mr. Hollins, no one's asked you a question.
Would you be in agreement to that amount, ma'am?
May I ask a question, please?
Are you in agreement to the
Yes
amount?
or no, please.
I would like to ask a question in
Yes or no?
pertaining to the agreement. Is that
It's either
included?
yes, you agree, or no, you don't agree.
Yes.
And if the court was to order that the income be used as previously reported, the state will request that the father pays a total of $350 per month for medical support. Would you be in agreement to that amount as well, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. No further questions for this party, Your Honor. At this time, Your Honor, the state would like to call the father here in this matter. Sir, can I get you to state your name for the record?
Willie Lee Hollis III.
And Mr. Hollis, as it relates to your income, are you currently employed, sir?
No, sir.
And could you explain to the court why you're not currently employed?
Because I'm a registered sex offender and won't nobody hire me.
And sir, were you previously employed as a car salesman?
No, sir.
Just to confirm, you never worked as a car salesman in your entire history. Is that correct?
Correct.
All right, sir.
We've never owned any businesses together or nothing. I don't have none of those cars she say I got. I don't know what she's getting all this from.
He claims unemployment, criminal record barriers, living off his partner, and scraping by with odd jobs. Bills are listed one by one: food, rent, utilities. Then vehicles surface, including one valued shockingly high. Each answer raises more questions, and the story starts to wobble under its own weight.
We haven't been together in 15 years. I don't know nothing about her, so I don't know how she knows anything about me.
All right, thank you.
My daughter hasn't stayed with mom in 3 years, and she's currently missing right now as we speak. She's been missing for 4 weeks now.
Mr. Hollins, as it relates to your current bills, you are currently paying rent every month. Is that correct?
No, sir.
All right, so you're living for free, sir?
Well, I stay with my woman,
And so she's paying all the bills, sir?
pretty much.
But you don't contribute to the household at all?
I contribute what I can.
And how's it that you're able to contribute to anything, sir, if you're not currently employed?
Well, I just try to find little odd jobs, cutting grass, you know what I'm saying, cutting hair, anything I can do to make a little dollar, little buck.
So you have the ability to work, however, you're not currently employed. Is that correct?
Right.
All right. And
I've tried to get a lift job. I've tried to get multiple jobs, but every time I try to apply for a job, they say that I can't do it because of my record.
and sir, as it relates to your rent, you are currently renting a home at $1,300 per month. Is that correct?
It just got put at 1,300. It was at 950.
All right. And you own a cell phone. Do you pay that bill every month, sir?
Yes, my cell phone bill is $30.
And about how much money do you spend on food every month, sir?
I say about 150, maybe $200 a month.
So just confirm you're saying that you're able to eat off $150 each month?
Yeah, pretty much.
All right. And about how much are you paying in electricity per month, sir?
My electric bill comes out to be like 130 a month.
And your gas and water together is about $300 per month. Is that correct?
I don't have a gas bill.
All
I don't
right.
have gas at all, just electric.
And about how much are you paying in water, sir?
150.
Do you own any vehicle, sir?
I have a 1960 Oldsmobile.
And about what's the value of that vehicle, sir?
Probably like $5,000.
And is that the vehicle you use every day, sir?
Yes.
And you just confirm you own no additional vehicles.
I got I own a Rolls, but it's not running. It don't work. It's an old
And
car.
what's the year of that vehicle, sir?
2010.
And what's the value of that vehicle?
Uh, I would say about maybe around 60,000.
The father insists he can't sell assets, can't work, and barely survives, yet admits paying expenses and owning valuable property. The judge listens quietly as inconsistencies stack up. This segment shows how courts read patterns, not excuses, and how partial truths often do more damage than silence.
Have you attempted to sell either vehicle to assist you with getting income so you can assist the mother in paying for support for the child here in this matter?
Well, I was trying to get the vehicle running, but I can't afford to get it fixed right now
So again, sir, if the car is valued at $60,000, is there any specific reason why you haven't sold the vehicle to assist you with getting income?
because it needs work.
So you don't think you can sell the vehicle in its current state?
Now it's kind of hard to sell a car used. It's not running.
Okay. And is it your understanding that the child here in this matter is currently receiving state medical?
I'm not. Well, my child is missing. Like my child been missing for a month. Before then, my child stayed with me because mom has an assault charge on the child, and she's not allowed to be around the child. She hasn't. I say the child stayed with me for like 90 days,
Question
and
was
then
about health insurance.
excuse me.
The question that Mr. Tatum asked was about health insurance. I don't know how
Oh,
any of that relates to whether or not you have the child on insurance.
oh yeah, I pay Medicaid $57 a month. I've been paying it the whole time she's been alive.
With the use of your monthly bills, calculating support based off of those, the state will request, sir, that you pay a total of $167 per month for state medical and child support in the amount of $297 per month. Are you in agreement to those amounts, sir?
Is that the minimum as far as you know what I'm saying without having a job?
Okay. As what was previously reported, sir, based off of the monthly bills that you currently are able to afford, sir, based off of that, the state is requesting the proposed amounts that were previously provided. Are you in agreement to those amounts, sir?
And what is the amounts again, sir?
167 for medical support and 297 for child support. Are you in agreement to those amounts, sir?
No.
And do you understand that the other party has provided that she is in the belief that you are currently employed as a car salesman and would agree that you should pay a total of $700 per month for child support and $350 per month for medical support? Would you be in agreement to those amounts, sir?
The judge calls it plainly. Someone is lying. Income exists. Support is set far higher than requested by the state, based on credibility, not sympathy. Orders are issued, and the hearing ends abruptly. Reality replaces denial. If you found this breakdown helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.